Hi, I'm Anarashegran. I'm an artist. It's been years since I created a proper YouTube video, so today I'm finally getting back to it. I'm gonna paint something special today, and if you have any suggestions on how I can improve my video or this content creation, please let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get started. I'm working on a 300 GSM paper today. First, let me introduce Roxy. She's super excited thinking we are about to play, but she doesn't know I'm just cleaning my brushes and filling water in jars because guess what? We are painting with coffee today. I have this thing with coffee and I thought why not start my video with a coffee painting. So here we go, and I'm using mob brushes. They hold tons of liquid and give a wonderfully smooth flow, perfect for coffee or watercolor works. This piece is inspired by a painting from artist Paulina Bright. When I first saw her work, I knew I wanted to try something similar, but I wanted to be more calm and peaceful. Then I discovered Shani's Instagram. Her videos are amazing and pushed me to bring this idea to life. I will be putting my own spin on it. By the way, the name of this bull is Sam. So today Sam and Shani are my references. So let's paint. Yeah. My goal is to capture a moment of pure, unspoken connection. The woman's eyes gently closed, her lips curved in a peaceful smile as she rests her cheek against the cow's soft flank. It's like two souls finding solace in each other's presence. I hope to evoke the comfort of home and the healing power of companionship. In her embrace, the cow stands calm and steady, its half-closed eyes reflecting quiet gratitude. There is no rush here, only the shared heartbeat of a friendship that transcends words. This is more than a portrait, it shows the gentle strength of love, the simple beauty of caring for another being, and the profound peace found in a single heartfelt hug. Don't you sometimes feel how deeply a hug can make you feel like you belong? It stirs an emotion that's hard to put into words. It's not just about the cow or the woman. There is something deeper in that connection, a softness and warmth. You can't explain but truly feel. Anyway, I try to bring that embrace feeling into my painting. So I'm almost done and signing it is one of the best part. Anyway, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, bye bye.